Hello everyone, welcome to Beer52 unboxing for November 2021. So yeah, this month it is the history of beer. So I've got me trusty knife on hand, or a pair of scissors in this case, and we're gonna crack it open. I get the 12 pack of mixed beers because I do like my dark ones, my stouts and porters and stuff. So yeah, we are in. So this month we are greeted with a couple of snacks. So first of all we have got Cornitos, Nacho Crisp, spicy tikka masala flavour. Gluten free, vegan friendly and all that, like they always do. Yeah, vegetarian, vegan friendly and all that. So yeah, I do like my Nacho Crisp, so that'll be quite a nice one to have. And the second snack we got this month is... Now I've kind of had something like this before, which is Indulgy again. But this time it's a corn combo. I think last time we just had the chickpeas. But this is sizzling spice flavour. Got a bit of everything in there. Again, vegan, nut free, gluten free, all the old friendly stuff. So, only got until January 2022 on them. Not long. Right, and then there should be this month's copy of Ferment magazine, which I've just lost a load of leaflets out of. What are they giving us this month? A free brew kit. If anyone's after that, use the code there. B5260, because I won't be using that. Gin box by the looks of it, Gin Club. Try a gin and perfect autumn nights in. 50% off. Again, I won't be using that. So there's your code, if anyone wants it. And go on Care Wild Bloom. If anyone wants any flowers, you can get £10 off from Beer52 there. Again, code. So of course this month's is Ferment, a brief history of beer. The actual title of it. And next time is London. I've actually postponed this box because I live in London, so I could probably just go and pick these up locally anyway, so there's no point having a box of beers from it. Yeah, do like Ferment. A few little decent information in there. So I'll put that to one side for now. Right, let's get into the beers. Let's take this out of the way. So what have we got in this month's one? So I've seen a couple of people with this already. Looking forward to it. Belgium always do good beers. So this is Duvel 666, which is 6.66%. Your Belgium blonde beer. So yeah, I was looking forward to getting that one. There's quite a few bottles this month. Let's get all the bottles out of the way. So we have got a Blanche Super 8, which is a wheat beer, I'm guessing. German. Oh, it's Belgium again. Another one from Belgium. That is 5.1%. Right, the next bottle we have got is the Trappist Bock beer. Another Belgian one. Oh, it's coming in at 7%, this one. Looking forward to this one. I'm guessing it's another blonde beer from Belgium. Doesn't actually say. But anyway, yep, looking forward to that one as well. 2 more bottles in here, 2 more bottles. Next we have got, guessing this one is German. Star Wars, ABK. 700 years of Bavarian brewing traditional and heritage. Bavarian. I mean, it's not German. It is German. See, I knew it. From Germany. 4.9% that one. Not as strong. And the last bottle we've got, and then it's all little cans this time, is Stigl Bio Zuik. Don't know. This is another German one, or is this Belgium or what? Ah, it's Austrian beer. 5.2%. Where's all the dark ones this week? They must all be in cans. Right, let's start going through these cans then. So we have got Rubus Cubus, which is a raspberry stout. There we go, nice stout. 5%. And this is coming to us from, I should tell you in this this is coming from England. Hartlepool in County Durham. There you go, English one. Next we have got Bigfoot by Vocation. I've seen a lot of Vocation beers, had a lot of them. I've never had Bigfoot before. Thought that Rubus Cubus was 5%. And that Bigfoot by East Coast is an East Coast Pale and also is 5%. This is another one from England. I believe Vocation is English. Wish it would tell you a bit easier on here. I'm going with English. I'm pretty sure it is. Only one dark beer so far though, so there must be a few more in here. Not this one though, this is Spokane. West Coast IPA. From Leeds, 6%. Let's take these out because this box is going to fall. Oh, there is one big can in here. I lied. There's another leaflet in here as well. If anyone wants some grooming kit, scan the code and you get 20% off. There you go. I'd like to help everyone out. So next up we have got, the can has got a little bit damaged, it's a bit going, but it's the Chancer, coming in at a massive 4.6%, and this is coming from Ireland. There we go, the Chancer from Ireland. 3 more to go. It's looking like I've only got the one start though, because the next one is the White Hag Irish Brewing Company. Fadamore. It's an export red ale. Coming in at 5.8%. Not a bad one, that one. Then we have got, I believe this is another English one, I believe. No, is it? I have no idea where that is. I'm sure this is English. But anyway, it's by Wild Beer. This is a Pill Breaker Grapefruit Session IPA. 4.7%. Comes from Beaglestown, which I'm sure is in the UK. Or it might not be. Who knows? Someone let me know in the comments. And the very last one is a big can. Oh, this one's an absolute belter, this one. Strongest one of the lot. It's an Imperial IPA. It is Halcyon by Thornbridge. Coming in at 7.4%. Nice big can, this. Where is this one from? Again, I'd love something just to stand out here. A lot of it's in foreign, so I probably won't be able to tell you. It's a light gold in colour. Halcyon is brimming with intense pineapple, grapefruit, lemon zest, and piney hop flavours. That sounds really nice. Can't wait to try that. Oh, it's from the UK. Bakewell. There you go. Just about managed to read it with all them other different languages on there. There's hundreds. So yeah, that is this month's one for November. It's not going to be my last beer opening from Beer52 this year. I may have ordered something else very special. But it'll be my last monthly box of the year. Because I'm not getting the December one, which is London. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that. And let me know which one of them you'd like to try yourself. And let me know if you do order this box or whatever. Let me know in the comments. But as for now, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.